Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Feit Floodlight camera that is offline in 2026. Now, Feit Floodlight cameras depend completely on the wall power. So if the switch controlling the light is off or if it is unstable, the camera will appear offline. So in this case, you need to make sure that the switch is always on and the power is also consistent. If the camera disconnects at certain times, it is often a wiring or voltage related issue. If you have found that the power is working stable in your case, then the issue is likely network related. So in order to fix it, you need to first of all open your Feit electric application. Now inside it, the thing that you need to check is the device status. Now if it is showing that offline, you just have to remove your camera and then you need to add it again. This particular step is going to refresh the connection between your camera and the server. You need to also make sure that you are using a dedicated 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. The outdoor placement can also weaken the Wi-Fi signals. The walls, metal fixtures and distance can cause the disconnections. So you need to make sure that your router is closer, or you can also use a Wi-Fi extender near the camera location. If none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the camera enters into the setup mode. Now, once it is in the setup mode, you need to start connecting it again from the scratch in the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.